Hello YouTube, hope you guys are okay. Hope you guys had a good week trading. I had an okay week, missed a few trades, I can't lie, but took one trade, one take profit, so yeah, goodish start to August. Only one trade in, but we'll see where it goes. We'll go over what I missed, what trades you guys took, and you know, all that fancy stuff. Let me just send out this live stream to the other discords and then we'll get running. 2 seconds. Oh shit. God. Discord there, YouTube there, beautiful. Oh, you twat. Oh, probably shouldn't say that. There we go. Ping everyone. Okay. We are ready to go. Right, so yeah, last week. Took one trade, Euro CAD. Oh shit, actually no, let's talk about what happened on Monday. Markets were still absolutely wild beginning of the week. I think Monday, Tuesday mainly. If we go like, I don't know, EU, I guess that's a good pair to look at. So Friday we finished with an insane candle. And then Monday we opened with a gap and did another insane candle. And then Tuesday was still a bit of a weird one, but then it sort of died down. Let me turn this on. Okay, there we go, that's better. Tuesday ended up dying down a little bit. GU wasn't as crazy, actually, to be fair. Thursday, Friday, then Monday, Tuesday was actually, yeah, never mind. Tuesday did like 100. And then we settled down. So even though it was like, what, the third biggest decline in stock market history, I don't know, like third biggest loss day or whatever, however you fucking say it. The markets weren't actually that bad last week. They recovered really fast. If we go to let's look at like US 500 for example. Thursday was the drop off and then Friday was the big move, and then as you can see it followed on Monday, but literally past Wednesday, Thursday, Friday it's already recovered halfway, which is pretty insane. Same with UK 100, it's already recovered at least 50%. J225, again, it's recovered quite a bit. It dropped 20% in a day, which is in 3 days, which is insane. And it's already recovered 18, well, technically that's not how. It's recovered about like 60% of this move, 70%, 65% of this move. But from Wednesday, saw an 18% increase, which again is probably one of like the biggest moves up in a single day, which is pretty insane. And yeah, the conditions were actually okay, so it wasn't too bad like after midweek. So yeah, I took EuroCAD, which was literally just a simple break retest of this level here. If we go back, here we go. This was the trade. That was the level. As you can see already, the wick there was crazy good. And I used a fib of this move up like here. 61 fib. Yeah, all good, chap. Good luck on your exams, man. I think we had ATR as well. So, no, we didn't have ATR. Was it literally just fib? And there was something else, I'm pretty sure. 61 fib break retest. Let me check. I feel like there was something else. Let me check. Alignment with USD CAD. Okay, so alignment with USD CAD as well, which was this break retest, I'm pretty sure. Must have been that break retest there, which was a pretty terrible break retest. It wasn't terrible, but I didn't really like it. But anyway, as you guys can see, it fucking worked beautifully. Entries at the line, which made a mistake. From now on, I'm always going to enter like 1 to 2 pips. I'm going to front run at the entry basically on break and retest, because break and retest are so damn accurate when they work nice, to the point where it does that. That is insane. And it did, yeah, 35 and then tanked. So yeah, it worked really nice. And I only got tagged in on one account. Well, technically 2, both of my Alpha Capitals. So bit annoying, but it is what it is. I guess we move on and crack on. Now I know to front run entries on break and retests. I already knew, but I don't know why I didn't really implement it. My mistake. So let's crack on with the analysis. I'll try and be a little bit speedy. Let's see. So GU, we have a little 4-hour level, which was actually looking nice last week because it obviously got the psych level here, and we did have the ATR, I think, earlier in the week as well. And we did have a fairly strong move in, but then it's decided to, you know, just do nothing. So not the nicest of trades now, unless we have... Ooh, okay. So if we stack this together, I mean, it's a bit of an awkward level to go for anyway, just because of the size of that wick, but it could be used as alignment for another USD pair or pound pair, preferably USD pair. So it still could be nice. We've got the 4-hour level here, and then this is completely gone. We do have this low as a 4-hour level as well, so maybe a strong move into this plus ATR could be nice. A 90 pip move in would be good, and then just a 30 pip take profit, easy as that. And if we had alignment with like DXY or EU or any other USD pair, that would be beautiful. So that could be a potential trade with a 4-hour level. Just open the chat just in case. There we go. And apart from that, you got the daily level down here, and then that's it. There's nothing much in this mess. Pound CAD, we do have an obvious... Oh wait, shoot, that actually worked. I didn't really watch that. That had the EMA. Did it have the... Bloody hell. Started speaking parcel tongue there. ATR, no. The psych level was just below. Bit of an awkward one. But the EMA did give, which is interesting. It was a very weird level again, but it's pound CAD, so it's actually 100 pips. Remember the big fibs. Thank you, Tux. Thank you, thank you. Oh, he's not even in here. I'll message back. I'll be testing all yourselves this week. Pound dollar bearish, right? I mean, I don't really have any... I don't really give, like, you know, predictions, but I'm saying from this level, we could see potential move down. That's all I'm saying. I'm not saying pound dollar is bearish. I'm just saying from this level, we could potentially see some downside movement. The people who try and predict it all, I don't know how they fucking do it. I mean, they don't do it, that's why. But they'll say, oh yeah, price is going to go to here, and then it's going to go back down to here, and then we're going to see a break of this high, then it's going to retest down to these lows, and then go back up to all-time highs. What the fuck are you on about? As traders, like, if you're trying to predict, then you're not going to last long. Unless you're super long-term, and you're saying, long-term, I can see price going to 1.34. Fair enough. But if you're trying to predict all these crazy-ass moves... then why? The probability of getting that right is unbelievably low. Instead, you just need to become a reactor. That's it. You have your levels and you have your entries in your set areas. And when price comes to your level, you react. That's it. You're not predicting that, okay, once it taps my level, it's going to do this, go back to break even and do that. All you're saying as a trader is, okay, we have multiple confidences stacked around this level. No matter the strategy, it doesn't matter what your strategy is. Your reason for entering a trade around this level is because that level has some sort of significance. And it has some sort of significance because of the confidences you've created. And if you've created those confidences, and they're pretty common confidences, such as just literally being a basic level, plus a fib, plus an ATR, plus an EMA, plus some daily bias level, plus some... I don't know, change of character and bloody break of structure and new week opening gap and all literally anything. Elliott wave or, you know, butterfly patterns or head and shoulders. If everyone else sees that, then the collective market as a whole will also see that. So everyone will be selling around that level. And that's how levels work. It's just a collective effort of opinions. That's it. So if you see some sort of interest in that level, there's a high chance that other people also see interest in that level. Don't even know how I got into talking about that, but yeah. Oh yeah, about reacting. So I have my level. I have my reasons for my level. So when price comes to my level, I react. Bump, I react, get in, get out, done. That's it. I don't stay in the trade and try to predict that it's going to do this. In, out, done. The market doesn't play fair, so prepare for it. So if you can get in and out of trade as fast as possible, that is That is what you need to do. Yeah, bit of knowledge. 4-hour break and retest. I'm seeing this. It looks beautiful. It's technically on a daily. Would a class that as I mean, I wouldn't take that as a daily break retest. I would take that as a 4-hour break retest, which does look, does look nice. No psych level or anything, but maybe we could see a cheeky fib. Let's see. We do have the 50 fib. So if we see the 50 fib, maybe ATR aligns, something else lines up. That could be nice. And you've got technically got a little double level, triple level here. 4-hour, it's tested it once, come back down, tested it twice, done a bigger move, then done a little reaction and then broke through. So that is actually quite nice. And it's not done a single retracement into this level. And it's not that fat either. 30 pips does look doable. It is pound CAD, so you got to prepare for a bit of drawdown, but yeah, that looks nice. Sells on pound CAD. Nice. Let me ping an alert on here. Add an alert. Do you consider where liquidity and use it in your trading? I mean, that's what levels are. Levels are just liquidity. Levels are just areas or pockets of orders, stop losses, take profits, entries. That's all liquidity is just levels or areas of interest. So in regards to liquidity, when it comes to, I'm guessing you're talking about, you know, SMC ICT concepts, they more use it as like breaks of liquidity. They don't really enter trades off of liquidity. Like you guys will draw a line and put some dollar signs on it, just like this. They'll go, and that's their liquidity. So then what you're waiting for is like a tap into that liquidity or break of structure from that liquidity or whatever it is. That's what you guys normally look for. Whereas when you're waiting for this to happen, you know, and then, you know, tap of liquidity, then that fuels the downside momentum or it fuels the upside. I don't know which ones you guys look for. I'm profiting off of this initial reaction. Whereas you guys will look for confirmation. I don't even look for confirmation. I just know the probabilities are stacked in my favor that price is going to move down rather than up from this level. So I make money off of those probabilities. That's it. That's how I do it. So technically, yeah, I do use liquidity concepts, but not in the way you guys use them. So I try to find areas where there's the most liquidity, and I'll profit off of the quick move from that area of liquidity. Make sense? So like, for example, that Aussie dollar CAD. No, not Aussie dollar CAD. Euro CAD. Yeah. There's multiple areas of liquidity here, right? You've got, if we're talking rough, you got this. You've got that. Let's go back even further. Let's do that so you can actually see it. You've got this break and retest. This has got a lot of area. Can't get my words out. Because this has been broken. So there was a lot of liquidity surrounding this level, but because this has been smashed, all liquidity has been taken, we've still got liquidity here because it's not been used. It's just been smashed. So this still has a lot of demand. So you have that. You have this down here. If you're on a daily, you have that. Next one, you probably have this down here. And as you can see, if I would have tried to, you know, tell you the future and go, okay, price is going to do this, this, I would have got absolutely stung. But because I react and I don't predict, I got in, out, took my profits, done. If I would have stayed in this trade, as you can see, you ready? From that gray line here. Wait for it. I make my money. You guys stay in. You lose money. So that's it. I react. I get out. Done. Money's off the table. Markets can't fuck me over now. Yes. Yeah. Pound Swiss. Hopefully that helped a tiny bit. Pound Swiss. Was that? Okay, no, never mind. Someone took this. Otto, who was in here before, he took this. Apparently ATR lined up, which I don't know if it did or not. No. Yeah, technically. 12. I mean, yeah. Did it work? Oof. Wow. Wait, where's the low? Okay, so the low's here. Let's see. So again, it tapped the low, did 55 pips, or it tapped to the open, did 41 pips. He got out, done, made his money. He made money from the reaction, got out. If he would have stayed in, would have got destroyed. So that's it. Just making money off of these little surges in volume. So yeah, nice trade. Bit of a scary one, to be honest, because that is a strong ass move in. To be fair, it did have the psych and the ATR. It was actually nice. I don't know why I didn't take that. Maybe it was news or something. Or I was just being a pussy because of the size of that move. Most likely that. Oh yeah, it was Monday. Oh yeah, fuck that. He took the trade on Monday. That is crazy. No thank you. What do we have now? This level, not bothered, because we created a new level here. This one, which is the daily level. We have that break and retest, which does look nice, but there's no fib. We could have ATR, and the psych is just below. So a break of the psych touches into the level. That could be nice. Psych's only 17 below, so if we do get, you know, it breaks the psych and doesn't react from the psych, and we see a tap into this level, then it's technically a confluence. Yeah, that could be nice. Shorts from there. But I would need ATR and potentially even some sort of alignment. I mean, no, ATR and a psych, I guess that's enough. As long as we have a nice move in. I'll mark it out. GN has this 4-hour level, which is quite nice. I don't know, I'm a bit weird on this fib. I don't know if I really like this fib. I prefer that one, but then there's nothing there. It is nice. And it is currently 80 pips away. Could align with the pound CAD. Pound CAD is 90 pips away. Pound Swiss is 160. Okay, never mind. Yeah, I guess if we do see alignment across pound pairs as well, that will be nice. And I'd alert. Add an alert. GA. GA, I don't really see anything. This break and retest isn't very nice. I'm not massively hyped about that one. 4-hour time frame. We have an obvious level here, but that wick is scary as hell. That top wick, that doesn't look appetizing. But this level is obviously the level here, with this high as well. It's just that was most likely news or something. 6 a.m. Monday. Oh yeah, Monday morning is when the markets want to look crazy. 7 a.m. Okay. So yeah, that's all what's just happened there? Oh no, we had the 4-hour level as well. I was watching that with ATR, because it technically was 160 pip potential move in. 4-hour EMA, which isn't amazing, but did look okay. I don't know if that'll align anymore. I think ATR will move up. So yeah, but I guess you do have that as potential alignment with those other pound break retests. And if not, then we'll push to this level and we'll actually see the break retest. So we have like a bit of a wide level here from like here to here, because that one ends there. Oh god, that was rough, wasn't it? That one ends there, that one ends there. So yeah, that could also see alignment. That's actually quite nice. GJ, I don't know if I want to trade JPY yet. JPY is still scary as hell. Their economy is like, I don't know what the fuck they've done. Just, yeah, it's just going to shit at the minute. However, their currency is doing well for once. Euro Swiss. Anyone take this break retest? It ended up missing by a pip. Did 50. It did miss. This is a trade I was interested in. It missed by 7 and did 116, which is a pain in the ass, but it is what it is. This had the fib, 50 fib, and just break retest, and it might have had the ATR. So that was actually a pretty nice trade, but that missed. I'm pretty sure that was this week. Yeah, of course it was. Did I send that out? Was that a trade I was actually looking at? Let's have a look. Euro card, Euro USD. Oh yeah. No, I didn't end up sending this out. Oh, I think because I don't know why. Anyway, but yeah, that worked nicely technically. These levels gone. That is pretty much it. You have the 4-hour level, which isn't. I don't know. It looks a bit messy. Yeah, there is nothing on Euro Swiss. That's that done. Euro US dollar. This was a trade I was interested in. Can't remember. What was it? 4-hour? Ah, it's the 4-hour level. This 4-hour level, which was technically like 80, technically more. It did have like the fib and the ATR, was it? 50 fib, and I'm pretty sure it had ATR. Yeah, 50 fib and ATR. I don't know if I had alignment or not. ATR, fib, and psych. And then we also, I was going to look for like 2020 or 2525. But as you can see, it missed my entry by a few pips, and it did 29. Did even more. It did 39.40. So yeah, unfortunate on that one. Didn't take that. So there was actually quite a few setups this week, which is actually nice. The fib. Indeed. Yeah. Euro USD. Don't really see anything now. You got the 4-hour level up here, and you've got the daily level down here. That is it. There's nothing much else. Euro CAD. You do have this level. It is technically, obviously, a wide level because you have that. But I was interested in towards the low of the level because I'm pretty sure we have a nice fib lining up. Let's see. We do indeed. Let's get rid of that one. We have the 50 fib. Obviously, I'm not going to take the trade from up here. I'd rather go down here because then you have the psych and you have the fib. So this is still a nice trade because we had a lot of reaction from that. But if that would have given a really big reaction, then I probably wouldn't have gone for this. But the fact that we've now smashed that, it gave only a 30 reaction, 40 reaction. And we're pushing into this 50. I'll probably go for it. As long as, again, obviously, we don't see much from here. If we see a reaction from, you know, candle close, then I'm not going to go for it. Yeah, so EuroCAD is probably one of the nice setups. I do like it. We got psych. Oh, God. What? This is due to calculation being based on a linear scale as opposed to logarithmic. Okay, fair enough. Yeah, I like that setup a lot. Euro Aussie does have this similar level, which is, I mean, technically, this one is very close, but yeah, I much prefer the EuroCAD. Yeah, it has a nice 4-hour sell. Yeah, let's have a look. Ooh, this level. Holy shit, that's 180 pips. Damn. Thank you. Give me the sauce here. Thanks, Joe. Ooh, okay, I see it. The only other thing I'll be looking for is ATR. If ATR aligns with this... Oh, you do have the psych as well. Fuck, how big is this level? 37 pips. Jesus. You're gonna have to go like 50-50. 6. Let's go like entries at 0.8. And then go 40-40. That gives plus 20. Something like that. Most likely gonna miss. But I think that's what you gotta do. Because that is... Fuck, EA moves so fast. That's a 200 pip level on the 4-hour time frame. Damn. Even that tiny little move there, that's 200. I move up is 600. This move up since July, it's done 1,100 pips in a month. That's insane. Okay, yeah, I wouldn't have even seen that. Thank you for that. I appreciate it. That is a nice setup, but we'll have to see. entries are going to be interesting on that. You're going to have to use a big stop loss if you want like a guaranteed entry. We have this daily break and retest, which I don't like anyway. That range is ugly. Euro NZD. This low ended up working. I don't think I was looking at it. I think I was looking at ATR, but I don't think it reached anyway. No, ATR didn't, and then ATR did. It was the second day. Okay, we did have the psych as well. Oh shit, no, it had the fib, didn't it? It had the fib just below. Yeah, I mean, it was a miss anyway, so it's what it is. There's nothing really on this now. You got this tiny little break and retest down there. 4 hour, you got a stingy level. You got a break and retest, which is 180 pips, but I'm not a massive fan. I'd rather look at this level once we break these lows. So I'm just going to leave that for now. Euro JPY, not massively interested, to be honest. Let's adjust the fib though, so it's up to date. Ooh. Okay. Partially interested. Euro GBP, I don't really trade. I just want to use it to see which one's in favor when we got euro and pound strength, because often euro and pound correlate a lot, so it's hard to tell which one is like leading. So it's a nice way to see. But we do have a nice break retest with a psych level. It would be fun just to throw a nice little 0.2% or 0.5% at that, just to see what happens. So I might tell, we'll see. Aussie Swiss, congrats if you took it. Joe, well done. Worked a treat again. Sniper arse entry. I just wasn't too keen on this. I was looking at Aussie NZD, which was daily / 4 hour time frame. It was this level with the psych, and did it have ATR? Not really. It did have the EMAs though, didn't it? It was a 4 hour. Again, not amazing, but it was just fib, psych, level, big ass move in, but it missed. And instead, we saw Aussie Swiss take the lead. So now that is gone. Again, there is not much. 4 hour, you've got that, I guess, with the psych just above. If it has like ATR, like a strong move in plus ATR, then yeah, sure. And we might even have like a fib or something. Does have the fib, so that could be potential. I know it looks tiny, but it is, again, 100 pips. So just a 30 pip move could be super easy out of that. If we have a strong move in, not some shitty price action, if we just have a nice strong move in and ATR is there as well, 100%. I think even just a strong move in, I'll probably take the trade, but ATR would be even better. Or maybe alignment with another Aussie pair. We'll see. I'm going to ping that on. Damn, we have a lot of trades for next week. Potential trades. It's looking kind of fun. AC 4 hour buy has fib, but not the biggest level. Let's have a look. Daily, fuck all. Okay, yeah, I see the level. 90 pips. I mean, this will most likely align with Aussie Swiss. Aussie Swiss was 100. It's currently like 89, 90 away. I prefer the Aussie Swiss level. This level is what in? 87, 111, 100. 1 foot. Yeah, I prefer the Aussie Swiss. So this could be really nice for alignment. And then obviously that gives you an extra confluence, which is even better. This doesn't have the psych either. Aussie Swiss has the psych as well at 0.56, just above. So yeah, Aussie Swiss definitely. That's my opinion. Obviously you can go Aussie CAD if you want. But yeah, nice spot. That's some nice alignment there. Aussie dollar, US dollar. Nothing on the daily. 4 hour, a lot of... again, probably we're going to see alignment with Aussie Swiss. So this is actually going to be a nice trade. We got 3 separate levels here. All of them are not very good. I mean, obviously this low one is, but I'd more take that from the wick. rather than that big, massive level. Yeah, so not really seeing anything there. I'll mark that out. Aussie ends a D. That's a miss. I'm not interested in that anymore. Break and retest though. 61 fib. I mean, it did miss by like 26 and do 140. I think it's a bit of an awkward one now. It is quite close to this level. I don't know. I'll see. If we do have like really nice alignment or something, then potentially, but I'm not massively interested. I'll ping an alert just to see. Aussie JPY most likely going to have alignment with our JPY pairs for this break retest. They all pretty much move the same. NZD Swiss has this big ass break retest, which I don't really like. It's too big and it's scary. I don't like entering. Oh, fuck. That lines up so perfect. Hate when it does this. I don't really like entering the super long-term levels. I mean, it is a really nice weekly break retest. Let's try and find an example of when break retest has happened. There. I'm just gonna find a quick few break retests. This one failed. Failed. Hello, Gimo. Hello, hello, hello. This one worked. That one, I mean, they're a bit different though, aren't they? I don't know. Damn, we're in 2016 already. That's fast. That one worked. Missed. Bit of an awkward one. And that's too far away. Okay. Cheers, camera, for turning off. Appreciate it, mate. Don't know why, but my camera's started like dying and turning off again, even though I've got like a powered battery. I'll turn it off for a minute. Okay, we'll see. I'll see where that ends a D Swiss. I'm not massively keen just because of this level, like just before, and it's done a reaction as well, which is never a good sign when there's like a level just before a bigger level. Yeah. Okay, right. Ends a DUSD. This does have the break the retest. Fucking hell, Leon, English. This does have the break retest. 369. 104 pips for the break retest. It's a bit of a weird one. But does look okay. There is a potential chance that it might miss though if it does a reaction. Oh shit, it's already done a reaction. Never mind. I was just about to say if it does a reaction from this wick, and it has done exactly that. It's done 40 already. Never mind. Wow, wow, wow. Get rid of that. Not massively interested in that 4-hour level. I'll keep it there, but yeah. 4-hour buys. This is awkward because it's just a candle close, bam. And then we got this big ass wick, so it's a really weird level. So I'll pass on that. Not really seeing anything on you. Enter DCAD. This level has been rinsed and repeated 3 times. Nice little triple top. Again, it's got that awkward level. So I don't know. It's weird. I don't really want to go for that. Don't really have anything else on this. That's been rinsed. NJ. Yep, no. USD Swiss. You do have this, which sort of aligns with was it Aussie Swiss? Aussie Swiss. Euro Swiss. Which one was it? It was Aussie Swiss we were looking at. Yeah. Psych, fib. Okay, so all the Swiss, even USD Swiss aligns. That's perfect. Yeah, okay. That's nice because they all align perfectly. Let me just delete this random load up here and let me try and turn my camera back on. Come on, camera. Please be nice. Gonna turn on. Right, it's turned on. Turn this on. Let's see. Boom, we're back. Okay. Yeah, just a little break retest. Nothing crazy. And the 4 hours very similar to Euro Swiss. And I prefer the Euro Swiss setup, so there's no point marking it out. USD CAD does look like it might have a little... Ooh, 4 hour break retest. And not amazing, but you know, I'm going to mark out that level. I think that's more relevant. And this is such an awkward fib because that big ass wick doesn't line up at all. But you do have the psych just above. That could be really nice. I'm going to mark it out purely because of DXY. If we see DXY alignment with that, or SP500 or US30 or whatever bonds, that is like insane setup. No matter like the level on US pairs, if there's alignment with the driver, US pairs are always beautiful. So yeah, that's nice. And then we just have the daily buy down here. CAD Swiss, not really looking at anything. Again, got the same level. CAD JPY, not interested. Swiss JPY, not really interested. Does have a big ass 4 hour level. With the psych, maybe of tiny interest. I'll ping an alert on just to see what happens. Flows, we have a few levels. Yeah, you got that. You got this, which is a new level. DXY, again, you got the break retest, and you have... I'll more mark it out as this. Oh, shit. This. That is the level I see, at least. Yep. US 500, again, got the break retest. Okay, so... That's interesting how the dollar and US 500 and stuff is all in alignment at the minute. When there's really heavy news or like geopolitical tension and like, you know, stuff to do with that, it's interesting how the currency and the stock market moves in correlation. But any other time, when it's just basic interest rates or something, they'll move, you know, inversely. So if interest rates go up, currency will go up, stocks go down type thing. Well, they'll go up initially, but then they'll go down. It's interesting. Like what causes correlation and what doesn't. It is interesting to see. US 30, yeah, interesting levels. We got a few. We got that. Another daily level. So they're all coming to that break retest, which I don't know what that means because technically DXY, obviously that'll mean weakness. Same with bonds. But then stocks should mean USD strength. So it depends what's the driver, what's actually causing the movement. If S&P 500 is the main driver, then obviously we're going to have an inverse correlation. Interesting. And JT25 has this break retest as well. Everything has the break retest. Let's quickly go over gold. Is there anything of interest this week? Fuck yeah. Yes, there is. Okay. So you have this. You have this. And then I guess you have the entire level, which is the daily level here. And then you have the lows, which... Bit of an awkward one. Damn, you have so many weird levels on gold. But this could be... Oh, fuck me. There's like 2 psych levels on this. You have the top, which is 2475, which would be really nice. And then you have 2450, which isn't as good. I'd go like here, 2452. There's not really going to be much there, though. Maybe if ATR... Yeah, there's not going to be much there. Maybe if ATR aligns with one of these, it'd be worth going for it. Or if we need silver alignment, realistically, don't we? And silver doesn't really have any levels at the minute. We have... That is an old daily level. You have that as a daily level. And then I guess you have that as a 4. That's a really disgusting 4 hour level. But basically, using silver alignment or gold alignment for the opposite commodity is really nice. So if you're looking at gold sells from a level and silver is coming to a strong psych level like 29, 30, 31, or just a decent level, that's nice correlation. Yeah, I'm gonna start trading gold, but I just need a good setup to appear. I want to take it slow and just see what happens. So for example, I will take this level or this level depending on where ATR is. If ATR comes down here, and we see a nice move in, and maybe silver pushes into a level, or DXY or one of those S&P 500 hits one of those levels, sure, I'll go for it. So ping alert. But stop losses are going to be chunky, by the way, if you're trading gold with levels at least. So you probably want to use anywhere from 50 to 100 pips. I know that might sound a lot, but it is not at all. This is the 4-hour time frame. That is nothing. 100 pips, that is, but it looks tiny, as you can see. If you go on a daily, 100 pips is fucking tiny. But the good thing with gold is if you want to hold a runner, you can easily do 600 pips in 2 days. Easily. So easy. You can hold big ass runners. Is the same spread on gold as currencies? Nah. Most of the time, I'm pretty sure gold has pretty big fucking spread. So you gotta be careful. It has pretty chunky spread, yeah. That is from here. Oh shit, so that ended up lined. Oh wow, so that actually lines up with 61. Ooh, that could be a really nice sell. Damn. That's a really nice oil sell. Yeah, that's nice. I'm gonna mark that out. I don't know, let me check. Can I see spread from Friday close? I guess it's market close spread, so it doesn't really count. Oh yeah, no, this is accurate. One sec. Let me check. Gold, XAU, XAU, USD. So currencies for Alpha Capital Group sat at anywhere from 0.3 to 1 pip. Pound CAD is 1.4, pound Swiss is 1.8. Gold is fuck me, 3.8 pips. Yeah, so it's quite a few pips, yeah. Yeah, because the difference is 2431.07 and 2431.45, yeah. For every $1 is 10 pips, so yeah. 3.8 pips. Obviously that might change, I don't know. I don't know if I can check like statistics. No. Normally you can check like the spread chart. Sessions, margin. No, I don't know. But yeah, it's dependent obviously on the firm and stuff. Yeah, well, that is about it, I think. We've got a lot of bloody setups. Should be a very nice trading week. Let's see. Let's hope for the best. I'll post my analysis in the morning to see what happens. Where do you find spread chart? I think you have to do it through MT4, MT5 on PC. You can't do it on your phone. But there is a way to find the spread chart. So you can look at different timings and stuff. Yeah. Right. Sounds good. I'm gonna pop out. Almost been an hour, 50 minutes. I've got, actually, you know what? Kind of, not really, just a little update on MCR. Engagement has been lower than last year. We've still done like 200,000 messages since the start of the year, which is good, but not very good, because last year we did 900,000, 860,000 to be exact. So like we're below 50%. We're probably going to finish like 50% lower. So I've come up with some like growth and engagement strategies for MCR. And I'm going to be bringing on a bunch of people who are going to help build the community. We're going to bring on a bunch more mods for different sections. If any of you guys trade futures like ES minis or bloody S&P 500 whatever the future thing is called for that. I forgot. I think that is ES, isn't it? You got NQ and ES. NQ is Nasdaq, ES is S&P 500. I know a lot of people trade futures now. So we're going to bring in a whole new section for futures. I'm going to hire a few mods. So we're going to have multiple mods per section who are going to help out with activity and stuff like that. And I'm going to get a bunch of giveaways and shit sorted. So, yeah. So pinging out some announcements. Some different so I'll be tagging everyone in different chats, asking you guys like what you're looking at and how's your week been and different questions. So feel free to reply and engage and all that stuff. Beautiful Gimo, beautiful man. Yeah, sounds good. Right, hopefully you guys have a good week. I'll speak to you midweek, and yeah, peace out. Stay